हेलो गाइस, कैसे आप सब लोग। आई होप यू आर ऑल डूइंग योर स्टडी वेल। एंड टुडे इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू answer some of your questions that you are asked my in the comment section. And the questions are related to exam dates and notification of upcoming examinations and vacancy related questions and all result dates, etc. All more questions are asked by subscribers, and in this video I am going to give almost all the question answers of the questions. So stay tuned with me, and if you are watching for the first time my video, please like, share and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for instant update of the notification. Okay guys, let's start for the discussion. So in the previous video I just missed to give update about SBI clerk mains result. Okay guys, so SBI clerk is conducted mains examination is conducted on 31st of October, and from the prelims exam they are selected 1,20,500 people for mains examination. From that 1,20,000 candidates, nearly 90% of the candidates were present for the examination and 10% candidates were absent for the examination. Okay guys, and SBI usually takes 30 to 40 days from the date of mains examination to release their result, but this time there is a possibility that examination result of the examination will be released too early from 40 days or 30 days, because the recruitment process is already very late due to the corona pandemic. Okay guys, so expected result date of SBI clerk mains is from now 30 days, this month is November, like the November end or December first week. Okay guys, uh, SBI may release their result in this period. Okay guys, so and one more thing that I give, as I know the uh, about if SBI is ready to release their result, I will be give update about that, because last time also I know that result is ready, but SBI clerk prelims result is ready, but I said that SBI is not releasing their result. So like that, as I know that information that SBI clerk mains result is ready to release, I will give update regarding this, that SBI clerk is ready, result is ready, and it is will release too soon. Okay guys, like that I will be make you aware about that. Then the next question is about SBI PO notification. Sir, when will be the SBI PO notification will come this year? So SBI PO notification will come in this month end or in the upcoming month, that is December first week. So SBI clerk is will notification will come in this month. Okay guys, and I want to give one more about regarding SBI PO examination dates, that expected dates, that is not I am not get um, fixed on that date, but it is expected that the exam is going to happen on this date. Okay guys, so SBI PO prelims examination expected dates is 9 और 10th of January, बोथ दोनों में से एक या फिर दोनों, क्योंकि प्रीलिम्स एग्जाम ज़्यादा शिफ्ट में हो जाता है. ओके गाइज, सो इट मे बी कंडक्टेड ऑन 9th or 10th of January 2021, and SBI PO mains examination will be conducted in the first week of March, that is May around 4, 5, 6 or 6 of March. That is not yet confirmed, but it is expected date. It may get also confirm news, but I am not confirm. I am going to show, I am only showing that it is expected date. Okay guys, and the next question is regarding by which month or IBPS complete their recruitment process for both IBPS RRB officer scale 1 and IBPS PO clerk. Okay guys, the question is, when will be the process of IBPS, that is IBPS RRB clerical, IBPS RRB officer scale 1, IBPS PO, IBPS clerical, the process, whole process of recruitment will be complete. So usually IBPS declares their result on the 1st of April. So hope is that the IBPS also this year also release their final result, and it will cover in the 1st of April. So let's hope for that the IBPS will complete their recruitment process on 1st of April. Okay guys, then the next question is how many candidates were appear for the SBI clerk. I already tell you about that. Then the next question is whether the SBI is really coming this year. Yeah, okay, cover this. Then when will RBI assistant notification will come? Okay guys, the RBI assistant examination notification that along with RBI grade A or RBI grade B notification, that there is no yet confirmed news about that the notification will come or not come. So there is no news from the RBI side. So don't ask about question regarding RBI. There is no, as I get the information regarding the notification, I will give update about that. Okay guys, SBI क्लर्क की ज्वाइनिंग कब तक होगी? सो SBI क्लर्क की अभी रिजल्ट दिस मंथ एंड और जनवरी के दिसंबर फर्स्ट वीक में आ जाएगा. उसके बाद में उनका लैंग्वेज प्रोफिशिएंसी टेस्ट होगा LPT, उसके बाद में ज्वाइनिंग. ओके गाइज, then what about the grade A and grade B notification? I already give update about it. If our IBPS RRB final allotment will be on 1st of April, then what about IBPS clerk? So this is also on the 1st April. Okay guys, both the recruitment process or final result of IBPS, that RRB officer scale 1 or IBPS clerical or PO, both will be on 1st of April. Hope so, because experience is that IBPS generally release their final result on 1st of April. Okay guys, along with that I have some important dates regarding the upcoming exams. Please note it down. That is IBPS RRB officer scale 1, that the expected date of mains examination on 30th of January 2021. IBPS RRB officer scale 1 mains examination 30 of January 2021. Then IBPS RRB assistant mains examination on 20th of February 2021. Then IBPS PO mains examination is expected to be held, that it is expected dates on 4th of February. Then IBPS clerk prelims exam, that is already revised, that 5th, 12th or 13th of December. Then IBPS clerk mains exam, that is revised date, that is 28th of February. IBPS clerk mains examination is going to held on 20th of February 2021. That's enough, and almost all questions are covered. Okay guys, that's enough for today's video, and start preparing for the mains exam, because almost all the examinations are going to held in the month of February. That IBPS RRB officer scale 1 mains examination and IBPS RRB clerical examination mains examination, then IBPS PO mains examination, IBPS clerical mains examination. All the examinations are held in February month. So you have November, December, January, or at least almost 3 months, completely 3 months you are in your hand. So start preparing for the mains exam, because this is a very golden time in your hand. Start preparing for the mains exam, because next year what will happen, if even I don't know what is happening, because NRA CST, that is National Recruitment Agency. So if all the IBPS prelims examination is held, prelims examination is held, or banking prelims examination is held in the under the NRA CET, then it will be very difficult to judge the cutoff and everyone. So don't wait for the NRA CET. Start preparing for the mains exam right now and clear your examination in these 3 months. So start preparing for the mains. That's enough I want to say in this video. Okay guys, if please like, share and subscribe the video, and if you are watching for the first time, please subscribe and stay tuned and stay healthy and stay tuned with me. Thank you very much guys.